Oh, I can't wait to be on my phone. I'm gonna hide there. Okay, so how are you? How are you alive? Fun. Hey guys. um. Um. Spectacle Tiny. Do you mind getting him out of here? Thank you, bro. Wait. Thank you. Pet. 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 Around the world, I guess. Hi, I'm taking. Oh, I'm dead. No, just kidding. I'm going to be taking all the shadow, including this guy. Oh, no. Yo, thanks for saving me, Spectacle Titan. Don't worry, guys. That guy is just gonna be a villain from now on. There might be more puppet time videos, but we don't know. Right, Spectacle? Yeah. So yeah, you guys can decide if we get normal puppet time videos or have more often puppet time videos, because it's been a while since I've done the last one. I have the spiders have been the first ever one to create the Muppet Time series, and now they made a sequel, and now it's my turn. So yeah, this is a prequel to the Muppet Time series. Right, right, Spectacle? Yeah, so bye. Oh wait, aren't I supposed to